Yes. Who wants to talk? Please check your network, this one, okay, connection. I think all others can hear me. They are answering my questions.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So now, Gautam, please mute it. Everybody check it whether it is muted or not. Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome back to my class. See, here we are going to start a new chapter, that is the nervous system. Third chapter, that is the nervous system. In the class 3, you had learned about different organ systems. Different, yes, yes.
Can you tell little more louder?
Okay, I will try. I will try. Okay, so
More louder.
okay, I will try. Please increase the volume of your device also. Okay. So, in the third standard, you might have familiar with this different organ systems. Okay, in that you had learned maybe this shawl is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in that time you might have learned about this system. Before that, let me ask to Rohit. Rohit, are you ready to answer my question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So, which organ in our body controls all the body functions?
Brain.
Yes, it is the brain. Okay, see.
Ma'am, backbone also controls.
Backbone. Okay, backbone.
Ma'am.
Yes. I will tell about it after this. Okay. So the main control center of our body functions is the brain. Okay. That is why. Yes, Priya. What do you want to tell, Priya?
So heart also. Heart.
Now, let me explain. Okay, heart pumps the blood. Okay,
Through the
that
nose.
pumping of heart is also controlled by this brain. The action of kidneys, the action of stomach, the action of our mouth, the action of my hand, the action of my mouth, the action of my eyes, everything is controlled by brain.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, brain is the CPU of our body. Am I right? CPU
Yes,
of
ma'am.
our body.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Priya. Yes, say, tell me. Yes, tell me fast.
Ma'am, heart pumps blood through the nose.
Sorry.
Ma'am,
Gautam.
heart pumps blood through the nose.
Do that? No.
Through the nose.
No. Just don't confuse it. Heart,
when heart pumps, the oxygen needs that some blood, right?
Richard, we are saying about brain. Okay, we are now discussing about brain. Don't confuse it with other things. Say, listen, Gautam. Heart pumps blood. Okay, so this blood is flowing throughout our body through the pipe-like structures called blood vessels. Blood vessels. Okay?
Ma'am, blood vessels and nerves are different?
Yeah, different. That I will explain. Okay? Blood vessels means they are looking like similar, but their function, but they are different. Okay? Just listen. At the end of this class, I think you can clear your doubt. May I start now? May I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This our brain controls all the functions of our body, the pumping of heart, the functions of stomach, the functions of kidneys, our movements, our thoughts, that all the abilities, all you are learning, you are thinking, this everything is controlled by our brain. That is why brain is an important organ in our body. Okay, so these all things we will discuss one by one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Brain is that brain controls everything, you know. is the only organ which controls all this body function?
No,
Or
ma'am.
their assistant?
No.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, one by one.
No,
One
ma'am.
by one. Raise your hand. Those know, raise it. Those know the answer only to raise. Tia, I
Ma'am,
will
what was the
give to
question?
others also.
What was the question?
Tia, I will give chance to others also. Okay?
Ma'am, what was the question?
Okay, everybody muted. Then only you can understand that question. My question is there assistants assistants are there for the brain? Is
Yes,
there
ma'am.
other?
Yes,
1 minute.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
I will, let me say the question first. Be patient. Okay, just listen. Somebody asked me to repeat the question. So if when I am repeating the question, if you are doing it, how can I? So listen first. My question is, those know the answer, raise your hand. That's only enough. Okay, I will choose somebody from that. So is the brain only is controlling all the functions of the body? Is there assistants are there for the brain? That is the question. I think the question is clear, right? Adil Shafiq. I want the answer from Adil. Adil? Yes. tell me.
good.
Okay. Okay, so assistants also are there. Other, okay, now mute it. Okay, good, Adil. So not only the brain, some other organs are also helping brain to control all the body functions. Okay. So the brain, the other parts of the body that helps to control all the body functions. They all together form an organ system. They will together form an organ system. In a simple word sentence, I will tell brain and its assistants. Am I right? Brain and its assistants. Who all are those assistants? We can see by after this. Okay. So the organs, the brain and its assistants form an organ system. Okay. Brain and its assistants together work and forms it as an organ system. Like a respiratory system, digestive system, you can see a group of organs doing some particular function. Group of organs doing some particular function. Ayush, please mute your audio and keep it in proper position. Okay. So this organ system which controls all the body function, the organ system which controls all the body functions is called nervous system. It's called nervous system. Okay. So I think it's clear for you now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me show the slide.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I am sharing one screen. I hope you can, it is visible,
ma'am.
right? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I will call Richard. Richard,
Yes.
unmute it, Richard.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I cannot see the screen, ma'am.
Okay, Ananda, please wait. Please wait. May it take some seconds to visible. Okay. I think most of them can see it, so you can also. Please wait. Richard, please read the heading of that board.
Nervous system.
Okay, nervous system. See, here you have to write the new word. Here you have. Yes, who is calling? Who is that one? Please. Who it is? Tell the name.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
Madhav.
Okay,
Madhav.
Madhav.
Daniel.
Okay, Dan. Who wants to talk to me? Just raise your hand. I can't hear any. Daniel.
Daniel.
Okay, Daniel. What you want, Daniel? Yes, Daniel. Anandesh, switch on the video. Anandesh, switch on the video.
Ma'am, some connection problem.
See?
Ma'am, I think so Daniel has any connection problem.
Okay. See, again, I am say when we share the screen, it will take some time, but you have to make it. If you are talking in between, I have to stop it and to go again. So again, it will take some time. Okay. So nervous system. Madhav, unmute it, Madhav.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Say the spelling of nervous system.
NERVOUSTYSYSTEM.
Okay, again, Madhav, again you read it.
NERVOUSSYSTEM.
What it is? Say the word.
Nervous system.
Nervous system. Okay, the name of the system
Ma'am.
is nervous system.
Ma'am.
Madhav, now mute your audio. Daniel, what you want? Yes. Tell me, Daniel. Angelina, please mute your audio. It is every time it is unmuted. Okay. So the next I will call Daniel. Daniel, please read the sentence. First, unmute it and read it. Can you read that one?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Daniel. Okay.
Nervous system.
Okay. Read the sentence.
Nervous system.
Okay. Then read the sentence.
The organ system which controls all the body functions is called the nervous system.
Is called the nervous system. Okay. So it is clear, right? Who is calling?
Ma'am, Daniel.
Yes. Sorry?
Ma'am,
Daniel. Okay, Daniel. Tell me.
Ma'am, when you call, sometimes
problem.
I can't hear.
No problem. No
Because
problem.
of
Okay.
for
No
internet.
problem. No problem. Okay. So see, you have to write down the word. Take care of book and write down nervous system. First new word. Today's new word. First one, nervous system. Write down the spellings properly. Write down the spellings properly. Okay. So I hope everybody is writing it right. Shall I stop sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Write down the spelling of nervous system. Nervous system. First.
I'm finished.
Devak Menon, unmute it. Devak Menon, unmute it. Okay, Devak. So, tell me, in the organ system which controls all the body functions,
Brain.
name the, say, I want only the answer from Devak. Nobody should help, okay? If I call your name, then only to unmute. Devak, tell me the name of the organ system. Oh, Ananda.
Nervous
Or
system.
nervous system. So, what is the name of the organ system? Devak.
Nervous system.
Nervous system. Okay, that is the name of the organ system which controls all the body functions. Now, Anandesh, why you are switching off the video? Is there any net problem? Anandesh, is there any problem? Okay. Now, I will share other screen. Why you are switching off, Anandesh? Everybody should switch on.
Switched on.
Okay.
It's switched on.
Okay, everybody should switch on the video except if you face any network issues. Okay. John Sebi, please mute your audio. first. Mute it first. Now we can see parts of nervous system. Which are the main parts of nervous system? Okay.
Ma'am, can you zoom it?
1 minute. Anandesh, please mute your audio.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it's not it.
Everybody, please mute your audio. Mute it. Anthony, Joel, mute it. John Sebi, mute your audio. Okay. Now, okay, here you can see parts of nervous system. We are going to learn which all organs are the assistants of brain.
Ma'am, can you zoom it?
Sorry?
Ma'am, can you zoom it?
You can't view this one? It's
Ma'am,
not
can you?
visible?
Ma'am, can you zoom it?
You are mute. So, parts of nervous system. First, it is the brain. You can see it there, right? Brain. Brain is located in the head. Everybody knows it, right? And yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, and the skull protects the brain.
Okay, good. That we can explain, we can learn in detail. Now, I want to introduce the 3 words to you. Parts of nervous system. First, it is the brain. After that, you can see a red pipe-like structure coming at the
Backbone.
back of the brain.
Backbone.
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord. Spinal cord.
Spinal cord.
If you are saying like this, to get told, don't unmute. Okay, so this is the pipe-like structure that comes back from the back side of the brain. You can see it here. This is called spinal cord. See, some are saying it is as backbone. That is why that is not correct. Backbone is related to it, that we will explain later. But when you are saying the wrong words, the others will hear that only. That is why I am telling. Let me write these words, okay? Otherwise, I will call somebody. Do you know what is that word likewise? Then only. Spinal cord. C-O-R-D. Spinal cord. Okay. So, Brightlin, unmute your audio. Brightlin, unmute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the pipe-like
Yes, ma'am.
organ? Long and thin pipe-like organ starting from the lower part of the brain. What is its name?
Ma'am, I didn't hear.
Okay, now. Okay, I will repeat. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
Ma'am, what is the question?
Okay. What is the name of this part? What is the name of this part? The long pipe-like structure. The long pipe-like structure starting from the lower part of the brain. Okay, I will come back to you brightly. Srihari. Okay, can you tell me the name of that? Okay, can you tell me the name of that organ? Long pipe-like organ.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sorry? Okay.
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord. S-P-I-N-A-L-C-O-R-D. Spinal cord. So second new word is spinal cord.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ananda. What you want?
Ma'am, can you mute me?
How can you can't mute yourself?
No, I'm sorry.
Okay,
Network problem.
So I will mute it. But if you want to ask anything, you can unmute. Okay. So let me mute all. But if you want, you can unmute. But if you want, then only
Okay, ma'am.
you have to tell anything to me. Nandita, mute your audio. So this one is spinal cord, long, thin like pipe. Spinal cord is a long, thin like pipe. Starts from the lower part of the brain. See, you can see red color wires are coming out of it. Can you see that? Red color wires like structure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
They are called nerves. They are called nerves. Okay. So, Ammo.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you read this spelling?
Nerves.
Okay, that is the nerves. Okay. Ammo, please mute your audio. See, nerves are the wire-like structures that is spreading all over our body. Nerves are wire-like structures spreading all over our body. You can see it is originating from the spinal cord. Can you see this red nerves are coming out of spinal cord?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, spinal cord is a bundle of nerves, a group of nerves originating from the brain. Understood? Spinal cord is a long, thin, pipe-like structure. It is a bundle of nerves, group of nerves originating from the lower part of the brain. From that, nerves are branching out as a branches of a tree. Understood? From these spinal cord, the nerves branches out to different parts of the body. Different parts of the body. Like branches are coming out of a tree. The stem is the spinal cord. It contains so much nerve. From that, it branches out to different parts. I hope everything is clear. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Here you have to note down two things. See the spelling of nerve. Nerves. This is the nerves which are like wires spreading all over our body. Here you have to see nervous. Nervous. That means something related to nerves. Nervous. Yes, nervous means something related to nerves. Some students are getting confusion between these two words. So I will write nervous. Nervous is the name of the system. Nervous is the name of the system. See the spelling. And nerves are wire-like structures spreading all over our body. Wire-like structures spreading all over our body. Will you confuse with these two words?
Ma'am, can you
repeat?
Okay. See, 1 minute. Nandita, what you want, Nandita?
Ma'am, can you repeat what
Yes.
is nerves?
Okay, very good. I will repeat. Okay, please wait. 1 minute. Let me share the screen. See, I will rub these all things. Okay, then only you can understand it properly. See, here the main part of nervous system is brain. Can you see the brain on that? Okay. So, at the lower part of the brain, you can see a long pipe coming down. Long pipe coming down through this. You can see one long pipe. That is called spinal cord.
Spinal cord.
The spinal cord.
Cord.
O-R-D. Okay. Write down the spellings. Then this spinal cord means it is a bundle of nerves. It contains group of nerves originating from the brain. And from the spinal cord, the wire-like structures. Can you see a red wire-like structures all over the body?
Yes, ma'am.
Those are the nerves. Those are the nerves.
Nerves.
Nerves are wire-like structures originating from the spinal cord. These spread into all over our body like a network. They spread all over our body like a network. Understood? So, nerves, spelling N-E-R-V-E-S. Nerves are all over our body, wire-like structures. And nervous, V-O-U-S. N-E-R-V-O-U-S. Nervous is a word that means something connected to nerve. Something connected to nerve.
Nerves.
So, next time when I ask, what is the name of the organ system? You should answer me.
Nervous system.
Nervous system.
And wire-like organs in nervous system are called wire-like organ.
Nerves.
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 I think Nandita, it is clear to you now. Am I
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the three main parts of nervous system. Okay. Now, in the next class, we will learn working of nervous system, how they work. Okay. So,
Okay,
you know, brain talks to entire body, right? Brain is telling me to take the book, then I will take it, right? Brain is telling you to take the pen, then only you can take it.
Brain is
Sorry?
Brain is messaging.
Yeah, the brain is messaging. Okay.
Brain is like messenger.
Oh, brain is not like messenger. Brain is the control system. Okay. Messenger is somebody who is carrying the message. Am I right? Okay. Now, we can learn in detail about each and every part of the brain. Brain is like a jelly-like substance, right? It is protected by skull. That is what I referred in the beginning of this class. Okay. So, in the coming
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, so what is the brain made up of?
Brain is made up of like muscles. Okay, soft muscles. I will refer it and I will tell you. Okay.
Also made of muscles.
But what is that material? I will tell you. Okay, let me search.
Ma'am,
Okay.
what is brain protected?
By skull. It is a hard object. Okay. Now I
Okay, ma'am.
think it is our time to wind up my session.
Brains behind one kind of
Sorry, not clear. Now see, the teacher is waiting. I have to end up the session. Just we can continue in the next class. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.